Top 5 Best Portable Band Saw for Metal. Number 5. Maxxt Band Saw with Lightweight Aluminum Base. The Maxxt Portable Band Saw is designed for heavy-duty cutting applications, featuring a robust 10-amp motor that effortlessly cuts through steel and other metals while leaving behind smooth, burr-free edges. The motor is optimized for performance without the risk of burnout, offering excellent cutting power while keeping noise levels low. Its flexible design allows for adjustable cutting angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees, providing versatility in different work environments. One of the highlights of the Maxxt Band Saw is its ease of use. The automatic cutting feature stops the machine once the cut is completed, making it more efficient and reducing wear on the tool. This band saw can be operated manually or with its sturdy aluminum alloy base, providing excellent stability during cutting. The base is equipped with carrying wheels for easy portability, and an integrated LED light helps illuminate the cutting area for improved accuracy. In terms of cutting capacity, the Maxxt Band Saw handles round tubes up to 120 mm in diameter and square tubes up to 120 by 120 mm without the base, while the base accommodates round tubes up to 115 mm and square tubes up to 100 by 100 mm. The blade speed is adjustable from 60 to 420 feet per minute, and it has 1 to 6 levels of continuous adjustment to give users precise control over their cuts. For safety, the Maxxt model includes a self-locking switch, emergency stop function, and an ergonomic soft grip for comfort. Coming in number 4. WEN 94396 Portable Band Saw. The WEN 94396 Portable Band Saw is a lightweight and powerful tool, designed for versatility and portability. It features a 10-amp motor, which delivers a smooth and consistent performance. The saw is capable of cutting materials up to 5 inches wide and 5 inches deep, making it suitable for metal, plastics, and other materials. With a variable speed range between 60 and 420 feet per minute, this model can be easily adjusted to match the needs of the material you're cutting. Weighing in at just 14.5 pounds, the WEN 94396 is extremely portable, allowing users to take it wherever the job requires. Despite its lightweight design, it remains durable and stable thanks to its adjustable front handle and ball-bearing blade guides, which help improve cutting accuracy and reduce operator fatigue. It also includes an external blade tensioning lever for convenient blade adjustments, ensuring that the saw remains efficient and easy to use over time. This saw comes equipped with a 10/14 TPI metal cutting blade and a 2-year warranty, which adds an extra layer of confidence for users. It's especially valued by users who are looking for a cost-effective alternative to large, stationary band saws, providing an excellent solution for cutting metal without taking up too much space or money. Coming in number 3. Dewalt DCS374B 20-volt Maxxt Band Saw. The Dewalt DCS374B is a battery-powered portable band saw that provides ample cutting capacity and excellent ease of use. This model can handle cuts up to 5 inches in diameter for rectangular and round materials, which makes it perfect for a variety of metal cutting jobs. It's powered by a 20-volt Maxxt brushless motor, which delivers both performance and longevity, providing reliable cutting power for extended use. The brushless design means it requires less maintenance compared to traditional motors. One of the standout features of the Dewalt DCS374B is the integrated hang hook, which allows you to store the saw without damaging the base or handle. The LED work light with a 20-second delay ensures that your work area remains well lit, making it easier to make precise cuts, even in low light conditions. This tool is designed with a tool-less blade-changing lever, allowing for quick and easy blade swaps, so downtime is minimized during tasks. This band saw has received praise for its versatility and control, thanks to its variable speed settings. It's also compatible with any Dewalt 20-volt Max or FlexVolt batteries, ensuring that it fits easily into any existing Dewalt tool setup. Users love the lightweight design, efficient blade changes, and the ability to cut through a variety of materials, including metal and wood. Coming in number 2. Anbull Portable Band Saw. The Anbull Portable Band Saw offers superior cutting performance with its powerful 1100 watts pure copper motor. This band saw is designed to handle demanding applications without producing sparks, making it perfect for cutting steel, aluminum, angle iron, and PVC pipes. The machine's variable speed dial, 100 to 350 feet per minute, allows for cutting specific materials efficiently. What sets Anbull apart is its upgraded removable alloy steel base, which weighs 6.6 kilograms, providing excellent stability and allowing for angle adjustments up to 45 degrees. The base can be quickly detached for easy portability, making it suitable for various work environments. The cutting capacity is impressive. Without the base, it offers a 5 by 4 3/4 inch deep cut for rectangular stock and 5 inches for round stock. When using the base, these measurements change slightly to 4 by 3 1/5 inch for rectangular stock and 4 inch for round stock. The saw also boasts an ergonomic design, with a soft grip handle that ensures comfortable use even during long work sessions. The adjustable saw blade guard provides added safety and protects the blade from jamming. This tool comes equipped with a durable, coming in number 1, Vevor Portable Band Saw. The Vevor Portable Band Saw stands out with its impressive cutting capacity and powerful motor. It can cut rectangular stock up to 4.7 by 4.7 inch and round stock with a 5 inch capacity when used without the base, while the base slightly reduces this to 3.9 by 3.2 inch for rectangular and 3.93 inch for round stock. The motor is a 1100 watts, 10 amp pure copper powerhouse that provides ample control for job site tasks, ensuring quick and smooth cutting without sparks or burrs. The cutting speed can be adjusted between 137.8 and 472.4 feet per minute, offering versatility for various materials. In terms of ergonomics, Vevor's design prioritizes user comfort and safety. The saw's balanced construction allows for more accurate cuts, and the ergonomic soft grip handle makes it comfortable to hold during extended use. An adjustable blade guard helps prevent jamming and protects your hands from injury. It also has a swiveled base that allows for cutting angles from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, making this model ideal for users who require precision and flexibility. With this extensive range of features, the Vevor Band Saw is perfect for cutting metal, steel, aluminum, and composite cables.